To lift the body off the frame, I want to put some bracing on the door jambs. So I made a template for the hinge side, and I'm going to use one of the spacer shims for the latch side, and I'll plasma cut some plates, and then I can use those to make a brace. So the plasma cutter made pretty quick work of making these brackets. Now I got a setting I gotta adjust for those holes. I don't think there's a pierce delay, so it has to like wait, it's half a second after it starts to cut before it starts to move. Otherwise it doesn't penetrate fully. I think that's what happened with those circles, so I adjusted it, and then the rest of them came out okay. So just getting used to learning how to use the plasma cutter. Got the cab braced up with a couple pieces of 1/2 inch. That's all you really need. There's not a lot of stress, just something to keep it square. I got rid of the shock towers and just put some temporary braces on. Obviously it's not going to steer, but I don't have to go very far. I just need to get it in and out of the shop. That's just something to hold it so that when I pull the body up, the towers aren't in the way and the chassis can roll underneath it. The plasma cutter is blowing me away. I mean, this thing is amazing. I made these lift brackets in like 10 minutes. So I'm just still finding more uses for it. So I just got to figure out how to lift the back. There's probably not much to grab on underneath, but once I do that, I've got a couple of hoists, electric winches up in the ceiling, and the body's not real heavy with everything empty. I got everything out of the dash, heater box, and so it's not too heavy now. I'm leaving the glass in. The rear glass is like unobtainium, so I'm not going to take it out right away. The front shot, but it's going to be outside, so I figured that'll keep the weather out. So I'm going to leave the window in for now. But it's pretty light with just the cab and box. All right, we'll see how it goes.